are at. Talk to the camera. What? We are at a river right behind a school. And this, they just stocked this junk today. So we can go see if we can put some today. Yeah. This is the spinner. I don't even know where that John went. I ain't used this reel yet. I got a little excited. I got hit really hard right there. Got one.
Maybe too clear for this worm. You got a blue though.
Not the target species. That was what was hitting though. Dang, I thought that was the dang. Woo, that water chilly. Woo, that's chilly. That water is cold. See, this water's cold. Oh, that was freaking big too. I'm gonna drop straight into the line. Take a cross target. Holy cow. So many fish right here. Like 10 fish right here. Is he a big one though? Big fish. Oh my gosh, it is a big one. Holy crap. Oh my god! Good grief! Bring him up here. Holy cow! I got the spot, man. What? Is it a rainbow? Oh yeah. I ain't got a measuring thing. It's
we can guesstimate.
It's a brown.
Here.
I got that.
I wonder where my, oh, there's my hook. Right there. The hook
It looks like that brown chip cone.
I'm holding this one in now.
That thing is huge. That's probably a good 20, 21 maybe. You can make a mark on your net.
Huh?
You can make a mark on your net. That's what most people do.
That is true.
With your forceps.
Oh, is that a leech or is that his? Oh no, that's his.
What? Yeah, hold them tight, so they'll fly.
I don't know. That's why I need you to leave the net. Wait, let's get up on the right here on the. There we go. 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 There we go.
I have my pliers in my pocket.
There you go, that's good. Not too deep, that's good. Alright.
Good grief. Hang on, Slicky Sec. Well, I fell. Bet y'all the trout are over there on the far side. I'm already wet, so might as well.
Finally say, forget this.
I've been more.
Be careful, it's sand, you might fall.
Yeah, you're probably right. I bet you can just bark over here. There's gotta be some fish.
Cast in the middle.
Ah, I have one. I got one. I got it. Is that a wild?
No, it's a bass.
Well, let's try.
That's a blower. Bro, I'm done. God.
I want some follow it up here. Yeah.
Yes. There. Well, that's a good freaking thing.
Relax.
Oh my gosh, I just watched one jump.
Where?
Over there.
Oh, there he goes. He's gonna show the camera, but
We're watching together.
there may not be a camera to show.
Oh my gosh, dude, that thing's huge.
Where?
It just followed me up. Oh, yeah. That thing was every bit of 23 inches. Oh, that was a rainbow. Massive.
Well, I gotta retie anyway. I got a huge fray in my line.
There's 7, I think, or 6. 7.
Bro, I cast better without the weight than I do with it.
Oh, it just followed you. Right here. Right there, I see it. There you go.
He's about huge.
See it? Oh, I see it. See it right here. It ain't my fault. Is that cat? Fish?
Yeah. Hey, I don't think it's him. Ain't a bad one.
I'm here. Okay, where you got it?
Come here, little dude. That looks like a brook.
Yeah, what'd you say?
This might be a brook. don't know what. I don't know if this is a brown or a brook, but it's one of the two. Back in there. There's plenty of fish right here.
I'm saying.
I thought I had him for a second. I thought that was him. I was like,
Oh, right. Oh, he keeps following me. He's right here. Oh, does he have it?
yeah, just gonna let that flow. I thought, was that him? I don't know. That might have been Rob.
Oh, just swipe that one. Oh, he's sitting. Back up.